Hi, are you an agent on Poppo? If you are and you don't have a template, that's the Superfans template. I want you to know one thing. Your hosts are not motivated and they're losing gifts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate or how to create a Superfans template. Stick around and watch the video to the end. You have to log on to the app, then you click the profile tab. Once it loads, what you need to do is you click agent. So once this page loads, you click manage. And then when you get here, click super salary. And boom, you're going to see all these templates. So now it's up to you to choose what you feel could actually be getting given to those that are under your agency. If you want to go by $5 per week, that is each time they meet a certain target for a week, you have to give them $5. You can actually swipe left and you check on these other options. You can go by this $4, and when you click it, this is what you're gonna see, meaning those who hit a certain target of live streaming will actually be walking away with $4 every week. If you want to motivate them so that they happen to be streaming for much longer hours, you can actually increase on how much you have to give to them. So for this one, hosts will need to be going live for 1 hour on a daily basis. So through a week, they will be streaming for 7 hours, okay? So we can click use template, and then we simply confirm here. And boom, here we are. So the next thing is to choose the kind of task that they will need to be performing, right? So we can say live, right? And then we click the plus icon here and then choose from our hosts here. See? Choose from our hosts. Now the thing is, you need to pick those who are extremely committed, those who know what it takes to walk away with all those rewards. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna need to, I simply select, and then we can actually add other people, and then we hit next. So the weekly salary is $4 and the duration is 1 week. And they're saying task start on the 9th. Today when I'm creating this template, selection duration 1 week. If we click here, watch here, we have 2 weeks, we have 3 weeks, we have 4 weeks. If you want them to be getting this per month, yeah, you simply click 1 month. And then here they're saying withhold super funds, daily valid duration statistics 1 hour. So as long as this host is able to hit the target that I've said, then definitely they will be getting paid every after 1 week. Confirm. Once it's confirmed, then these tasks and rewards are live. So this is how you go about it. If there is any other agent that you know of who might need this video, please share with them. If you have 10 agents, kindly share with them. And if you're that one person who's been aspiring to become an agent, please, I'm gonna leave the link in the description section. Just click it and you're gonna land in my Telegram group. I will also leave a WhatsApp group so that I make it easier for those of you who don't have Telegram to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. When you do that, you actually signal to the algorithm that this is a beautiful video and it's informative. Hence, the algorithm will push it to as many people as it can, so that they learn the very things that you have learned. See you in the next video.